Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting tools and safety done. A 10 mm socket, trim tool, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb or assembly. You disconnect the negative battery to avoid shorts and set the parking brake so the vehicle won't move. Once done, open the tailgate and remove the plastic cargo panel or access cover to reveal the tail lamp mounting bolts. This gives you direct access to the 2-3 fasteners securing the lamp. Make sure you have space to work and good lighting. With the access clear, remove the 10 mm bolts holding the lamp and carefully pull the assembly outward. Do not yank, the tabs can break. Once the lamp is free, press the connector tab and disconnect the wiring harness. If changing a bulb, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it free. You should inspect the socket, gaskets, and wire insulation for corrosion or fray because bad contacts cause intermittent lights. Replace any damaged components to prevent repeat failure. Install the new bulb or full assembly by aligning tabs and seating it firmly. Hand thread the 10 mm bolts and then snug them. Do not over-torque. Reconnect the negative battery and test all functions: tail, brake, turn signal, and reverse lights so you confirm correct wiring. Once confirmed, reinstall the cargo panel and trim, ensuring the gasket seals against moisture. If a light is dim or not working, check socket corrosion, fuses, and the bulb orientation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.